Let's solve the next set of problems in hyperbola. Look at this one. Find the equation of hyperbola with the given parameters. Alright. Remember, in the last set of problems, we did problems wherein you were solving or you were getting the parameters from the equation. Now it's the other way around. Look at the first one. So here, vertices plus or minus 2, foci plus or minus 3 or foci. That means this is a transverse hyperbola, correct? It's not a conjugate, it's a transverse one. So a vertex is given by plus or minus a comma 0, correct? The two vertices. That means here a value is going to be 2. The first part is done. Next, foci is given to be plus or minus 3. That means c value is 3. Now, once you have the value of c, we have to find the value of b, correct? Because the equation is what? X square by a square minus y square by b square is equal to 1, correct? Alright. C value is 3. So what we can do now is that b square is equal to c square minus a square, right? This is going to become 9 minus 4, which is 5. So b square is equal to 5. Well and good. Now the general equation is what? General equation is x square by a square minus y square by b square is equal to 1. So if you substitute this one, if you are going to do that, x square divided by a square becomes 4 minus y square divided by 5 is equal to 1. This is the equation of the hyperbola. So this is going to be the value. Clear? This is the answer for the first question. Now let's do the second one. See the second one. Vertices of 0, plus or minus 3, foci of 0, plus or minus 5. Again, vertices 0, b, right? So b value is going to be 3, c value is going to be 5. Correct? Now a square is equal to c square minus b square. So 25 minus 9, which is 16. A square is going to be 16. Fair enough. Now the equation, see the equation is going to become y square by a square minus x square by b square is equal to 1. Correct? So the equation is of the form y square by a square minus x square by b square is equal to 1. Now if you substitute y square by 16 minus x square divided by 9 is equal to 1. So this becomes the answer for the second question. Alright, now let's do the third one. See the third one. Foci plus or minus 3 root 5 comma 0. Okay, well and good. The latus rectum is of the length 8. Okay, now we need to do a little bit of calculation here. See, the foci is c. C is what? A square plus b square. Or c square is a square plus b square, correct? So c value is 3 root 5. Square it. So c square becomes 45, correct? So 45 is a square plus b square. Call this as equation number 1. Okay. Now the latus rectum length is given by 8. That means 2b square by a square is equal to 8, or b square by a square is equal to 4. Call this as equation number 2. So you can write b square as 4a square, in the sense in place of this b square we can write 4a square. So you will get a square plus 4a square is equal to 45. So 5a square is 45. So a square is equal to 9. We got a square value. So, and what is the value of b square? B square is equal to 4 times a square. 4 into 9 is 36. So b square is 36. The equation becomes what? X square by a square, because the foci is plus or minus c comma 0. It's a transverse hyperbola, isn't it? We are going to get x square divided by 9 minus y square divided by 36 is equal to 1. This becomes the equation of the hyperbola. So that means this is the answer for the third question. Let's solve the fourth one now. See the fourth one, you have vertices plus or minus 7 comma 0. That means a value is going to be 7, correct? And e value is going to be 4 by 3, correct? Now, what is the formula for eccentricity? E value is c by a. That means 4 by 3 is equal to c by a. And what is a value? 7. That means c value is going to become 28 by 3. How are we going to get the value of b now? Very simple. Use the identity. Identity in the sense, you know the formula what we were using? We can use c square is equal to a square plus b square. What we need is b value, isn't it? So, b square becomes c square minus a square. That's 28 by 3 whole square minus 7 square. Now, one thing what you guys can do is use a square minus b square. A plus b into a minus b. Or if you do know the value of 28 square, you can do that also. Personally, I would prefer doing a plus b into a minus b, because after taking 49, you have to take LCM also. It's just a headache to do. 28 by 3 plus 7, a plus b into 28 by 3 minus 7. 28 plus 21 by 3 into 28 minus 21 by 3. So if you do this, you're going to get 49. So 49 by 3 into 7 by 3. 343 divided by 9. Remember, this is the value of b square, not b square. Now what is the equation? X square by a square minus y square by b square. It's a transverse hyperbola, isn't it? So x square divided by a square. A value is 7. So x square by 49 minus y square divided by 343 by 9. So the 9 goes to numerator, is equal to 1. This becomes the equation of the hyperbola. So this is the answer for the fourth question. Fair enough. Now let's do the last one, the fifth one. See the fifth one? You have the foci is 0 comma plus or minus root of 10. Root 10, correct? That means b value is going to be root of 10. Okay, whatever it is. Now they're saying that the line is passing through, sorry, not line, the hyperbola is passing through 2 comma 3. That means if you substitute x as 2 and y as 3 for the given equation, then it should satisfy the equation. Make sense? So in this particular case, since the foci is 0 comma plus or minus 10, it's a conjugate hyperbola. In the sense, the equation is of the form y square by a square minus x square by b square is equal to 1. Now, it is passing through 2 comma 3. That means x value is 2, y value is 3. When you put x as 2 and y as 3, 3 square is 9 by a square minus x is 2, so 4, 2 square is 4, by b square is 10 is equal to 1. So 2 by 5, transpose the 2 by 5, 9 by a square is equal to 1 plus 2 by 5. So 9 by a square is equal to, so you are going to get 7 by 5. So a square is equal to 45 by 7. You got a square, you have b square. Now since it's a conjugate one, what we are going to write is that y square by 45 by 7. So the 7 goes to numerator. 7y square by 45 minus x square divided by 10 is equal to 1. See, y square by a square minus x square by b square is equal to 1. So this is the answer for the fifth question. Clear? Now, all these problems, you have different values and different types of parameters, and with the help of those, you can get the equation of the hyperbola. Clear? So these are certain problems what you have, but I would always request you guys to solve more problems on hyperbola, and not only this one, on every other topic, and go through the video so that you understand how to solve these problems one more time.